Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be on nail art and easy French manicure. So first I'll be removing my old nail polish, and for that I'll be using my Lakme remover. I'll gently, without applying much force and pressure, I'll wipe off my nail polish. Both my hand nails are clear now, and I'll be washing my hands because that's what I do after every application of nail polish remover. So I used my Fiamma hand wash, and this is in the fragrance lavender. I am washing my fingernails and my hands very nicely.
Purchase your tracks today.
And now I will go on to shape my nails, and I'll fill any ridges if they are there, and I'll use my Vega 4-way buffer for filing my nails. I'll very gently file my nails and the sides of the nails especially. Just notice I'm going in one direction. I'm not going in zigzag motion, I'm just going in one direction near the corners. I just speeded up the entire process so that time consumption is less and you get the maximum in the very less amount of time.
Purchase your tracks today.
Now I am polishing, and I'm going on top with a very soft file on top of my nail beds. Now it's done, and now the next step is nail polish application. So I have 5 nail polishes here: L18, Lakme, Faces, Roots and Lakme again. So I'll show you French nails using different nail polishes, and this is a grey color. I was initially confused that with which color should I start first, but then I finally decided that I would go in with this. This is the Lakme Absolute Gel Stylist. Clearing my table, now I'll apply this. I was actually searching for this color code, but this is a very peachy and light cream sort of a color. I'll apply this color on the entire nail bed. When it dries, the next step would be going in with this white nail polish. You can have any white nail polish, but preferably from a good company, otherwise it will leave a yellow stain on your nails. The nail polish brush is perfect to create these French tips, so you need to have practice, definitely. Give time to your nail polish and try to make it as perfect as you can. Now I'll go in with the second coat of the same white nail polish after the first coat dries completely. One step you can add to make the nail polish, even throughout, and so that there are no demarcations between the two colors. Apply a top coat after your nail polish dries, so that will give a continuous flow look. So this nail has dried and it looks perfect. Just see the beautiful arch shaped French tip. It looks very nice. Just try to customize according to your own requirements. Now this is the second one. Here I'll be using this nail polish from Roots, and this is 17 Ash Grey, the shade. First I'll apply it one coat only. Remember, just apply one coat of all the nail polishes on your entire nail. Let it dry, and then I'll go in to make the French tip with a white nail polish. So again, here also I am taking time and trying to create this beautiful French tip look. Now this is third number look, and this is with both whites. So this is from L18, and this is a very milky white shiny sort of a nail polish. I am applying it again one coat on my entire nail. After it dries, I'll go in with the white. Same procedure. Keep on practicing, only then you will achieve this perfect French tip. You just need to practice. So these 3 nails are done, and now I'll show you 2 more. I'm directly going in with the white color, and I'll be applying it directly on the French tip where I want it. Just notice previously I have not applied any nail polish on this nail. Now I'll go in with that L18 milky shiny white color nail polish, very light and translucent colored nail polish, and I'll apply it on my entire nail after my white French manicure is dried up completely. So this is how it looks. It looks beautiful. Now this is the third one. I'll again directly make the white tips first. And with Faces Canada, this shiny nail polish, I will go on over the entire nail. So this was the tutorial, guys. I really hope that you liked this tutorial. Take time, practice things, and only then you will be able to achieve that perfect French tip. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And this is the final look. This is how it looks. And now I'll show you a clip of what I have recently on. This is the one. It was, I think, the second nail which I did. I really like that. I just topped it with Nika's, that silver glittery nail polish. I'm really liking this outlook. And thank you so much for watching again. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification updates. See you super soon with another video. Bye-bye.